A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on feet. C is for cat who loves to nap. D is for dog who sits in your lap. A is for elephant, big and grey. F is for frog who hops all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and high. H is for helicopter, zooming in the sky. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jacket, to keep out the cold. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for nest, swing in the breeze. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, dressed in black and white. Q is for queen, with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow, falling down. S is for sun, so bright and round. T is for train, chugging on the ground. U is for umbrella, when skies are grey. V is for violin, we love to play. W is for whale, swimming so free. X is for xylophone, a sound melody. Y is for yacht, sailing on sea. Z is for zebra, wild and free.